I'll give you a couple of examples. Trump can walk into a McDonald's in East Palestine, Ohio, and dominate it. Most people can't. Most politicians are, used to having everything scheduled, and they don't come off very natural when they walk into a McDonald's and try to order a Big Mac. They just don't, right? Trump can. I'll give you another example. In my home state of Tennessee, Fred Thompson, who a lot of people will remember as an actor, but also was a senator, when he would do his television commercials, people used to watch him and be like, I can't do that. Like, he drove around in a red pickup truck, and he would, lean up against a split rail fence with, a piece of straw in his mouth and do a television commercial, because he's such a good actor. You would watch it, and you'd be like, damn, this guy's so real, I love it. But most people would be like Dukakis in a tank if you put a piece of straw in their mouth and told them to lean against a red pickup truck beside a split rail fence. They can't do it.
So this is how I feel when I wear cowboy boots, just so you know. I'm like, is someone going to make fun of me?
I'm in cowboy boots. I'm in cowboy boots right now.
I know, but you're from Tennessee, so you can do it.
Well, also people might say, Clay Travis has no fashion sense, right? But this is where the staff comes in a big way. You have to put your guy or girl in a position where they can make plays, just like a coach would, right? If you're a staff, if you got a guy who can't shoot a three, don't run a play to get him a wide open three. I know this, because he's probably going to brick it, right? Well, you got to put them in positions where they can succeed.
And I think one of the best ways to support that we're looking for a historical evidentiary basis for that line of analysis that you just put out, it would be look at politicians who decided that they look at John 1 week 7 million yachts from Rhode Island to Connecticut that to avoid taxes, and in a pink wetsuit, windsurfing off of Martha's Vineyard, and then next week I'm out here in the field with this boom boom stick shooting at these quack ducks, and I'm just like you, except I married into a $300 million fortune. But I'm just like the common people. Yeah, we all know how that worked out for him, right? You got to be who you are. Yeah. Authenticity. By the way, true on TV, true on radio, true in politics. Authenticity, the lack thereof. That can be all she wrote.
And that's where I say the biggest asset that Trump has that he doesn't get any credit for is that common man walk into a McDonald's, order a Big Mac, and be normal. For a billionaire, there's not many people who can do that.
Look, we got a lot of people listening to this show who are truckers, as we know. We love our truckers. Yeah, they roll with us for 3 hours. Not that other people don't, but they're rolling with us for 3 hours. I hope they're tooting the horns right now. We got a lot of construction folks listening, a lot of general contractors listening. Whenever you see Trump in real time interacting with people, we're doing those day-to-day jobs that just allow America to be America. You can just, they light up, they smile, and he lights up back, and that is something that cannot be faked. That's something that people sense. When Joe Biden does it, people could all see he's trying to be something he's
or
not.
Hillary, Hillary is maybe the least authentic politician in most of our lives, right?
Yeah.
I mean, Bill Clinton, her husband, I think most people did believe authentically. Now, you might not agree with everything he's going to do, but he was himself. And I think that's one of the biggest challenges as more and more people pay attention is just being normal. That's why I come back to over
all the ladies of America close. Just get the queen. Yep, Bill Clinton, everybody. The new deals keep coming from all like Verizon, AT&T, or T-Mobile. Free phones are the latest way to try to keep your business. That's all right. That's what they're trying to do. They're trying to give you a free phone to buy you off. But it's a trick to lock you into another long-term contract that's going to cost you a fortune every month. Instead, get a brand new iPhone 12 from Pure Talk for just $12 a month at 0% interest, no contract. You can cancel or leave anytime. Get a new iPhone ultra-fast 5G service and cut your cell phone bill in half. Using the cell phone you have now, dial pound 250, say Clay and Buck, and Pure Talk's U.S. customer service team will help you make the switch in as little as 10 minutes. Choose from a variety of limited talk and text plans, starting at $30 a month with plenty of high-speed data, all backed by a 100% money-back guarantee. Dial pound 250, say Clay and Buck for this special offer. That's pound 250, say Clay and Buck. Pure Talk is simply smarter wireless. Restrictions apply. See site for details.
Sanity in an insane world. The Clay Travis and Buck Sexton Show.
KFBK, Sacramento's news radio, everywhere on the iHeartRadio app. David in Pennsylvania writes in to tell us about his experience with Relief Factor. I tried Relief Factor for hip pain and was surprised that it also helped relieve my shoulder and foot discomfort. After taking it for a month, I stopped, and sure enough, the pain returned. So I started taking Relief Factor again, and within a week, the pain was relieved. I'm now taking Relief Factor daily. Well, thank you, David. You know, I've heard your story before, people stopping and then starting again because it works. As you all know, I had trouble with aches and pains, and climbing steps was brutal. Your first step to living the life you love, free from aches and pains, could just be to order the 3-week quick start for the highly discounted price of $19.95. After trying Relief Factor, over 500,000 people have gone on to order more. Try it for yourself and see what all these people are talking about. Go to ReliefFactor.com or call 800-4-RELIEF to find out more about this offer. That's 800-4-RELIEF. Live your best life and feel the difference with Relief Factor.
Matthews Mattress Spring Clearance event is on. Come in for their floor model closeout as they make room for all the new models. Christina here from my friends at Matthews Mattress. Save 30 to 50% on all remaining Stearns & Foster and Tempur-Breeze mattress sets and select Tempur-Pedic adjustable base sets. Stop into Matthews Mattress and let their highly trained mattress experts educate you on the latest technology. Our good friends at Matthews Mattress want to make it easy to get that restful night's sleep. That's why you can buy that new mattress set with a special 36-month interest-free financing with no money down on approved credit with equal monthly payments required. Buy that mattress you really need without putting a huge dent in your budget. Plus, with the Matthews Mattress unbeatable 10% price guarantee, Matthews Mattress guarantees to beat any advertised price by 10%. Buy by 5, you'll be sleeping by 9. Free same-day delivery plus free removal of your old set. See them at 11 different locations. Head to Matthews Mattress today for the spring clearance event for all locations. Go to MatthewsMattress.com. Inflation is nothing more than legalized debt. Hi, I'm Dr. Ron Paul, and to preserve your wealth, I highly recommend keeping physical gold in your retirement account. To learn more, text the word safeguard to 989898 to get a free info gold IRA from First Gold, which is the only gold IRA company I trust. So text safeguard to 989898 to request your free info kit right now.
Is your home title still in your name? Home Title Lot's free lookup service can make sure it is. Your home title is online where thieves can forge your signature, take out loans against it, or even sell it. Homeowners insurance and common identity theft programs don't protect you. Home Title Lot does. Verify your home is still in your name with Home Title Lot's free lookup service and register your address for 33 days. Check it at HometitleLock.com/free. HometitleLock.com/free.
art sculptures of all time is there, and also a lot of other sculptures. And I asked my second grader what he thought of Italy after our first day there, and he said, "Dad, there are penises everywhere." Which was, for a second grader, you're walking around, you see these statues, guys are all nude. It was the number one thing that he noticed about Italy is that there are penises everywhere. If you're wondering what a trip to Italy might be like, buongiorno, buongiorno. If you own a small business, you've likely heard about the Employee Retention Credit, or the ERC. This is the tax refund program of the IRS for businesses during the pandemic. Have you applied yet? Go to getrefunds.com to get started. Less than 8 minutes time. See if your business qualifies for ERC assistance. Your business may be eligible for payroll tax for employees kept on payroll during COVID-19. GetRefunds.com already helped over $3 billion in payroll tax refunds through the ERC. They may be able to help your business too. No upfront charges. They don't get paid until your business gets its refunds. Many businesses believe they won't qualify based off incomplete or outdated information. Don't let this opportunity pass you by, because this payroll tax refund is only available for a limited time. Go to getrefunds.com.
Your latest news, traffic, and weather.
Report.
Karen Agnifilo used to work in the Manhattan District Attorney's Office. She thinks since Trump ally Bob Costello recently testified, taking care of that.
The DA is going to consider putting in a rebuttal witness to Mr. Costello and anybody else that they need to shore up the case.
Her theory is that jurors are looking at a felony charge of falsifying business records. Jurors are trying to decide whether to indict Trump in connection with alleged money paid to
She's a bad driver. She's a really bad driver.
NBC News Radio, New York. President Biden was meeting with Canadian
Yeah, she's a bad driver. She doesn't fucking
The two
stink.
leaders met on Parliament Hill today and are expected to discuss a range of issues, including immigration, the war in Ukraine, China, and modernizing NORAD. Biden, just before the meeting, said these two countries have no fundamental difference in their democratic values.
Totally bad driver. I don't understand that at all.
The strongest tornado to hit
Why
Los
does it hit
Angeles area
people?
in 40 years. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration reports there were 469 tornadoes recorded in California between 1951 and 2022. Traffic weather together. Here's where it all.
We're going to get to the Stockton area on southbound 5 right there at Matthews.